Okay, so we're going to talk about putting this clip back in. If you remember, on the kit there's a bag of, there's just way too many clips, like way too many. So we just grabbed the largest ones out of there. We'll give you the exact size so you don't have to deal with it, but you only need 4. If they break, you have more. So we're trying to do the M5 screws, and this is our clasp. And what we're going to do is these 4 holes right here at the very back corner. So there's these 4 holes in every corner. We're going to take the inside hole, the inside outside hole, whatever this one is to you. I guess from the very back corner, 1, 2, 3. But we're going to put facing out underneath, and we'll use the M5 screw. And I should have this. And I need one more screw. Yep. Sorry for the delay. So M5 screw, M5 bolt, little clip. Sometimes it actually just needs to be started. Oh, I don't like that. Alright, hold on, I gotta make sure I have the right equipment. Okay, try this one more time. M5 nut, there you go, M5 screw, our clip. So you might have to take this on and off, like as you're threading your cables through, as they get more and more into it, but right now you can actually just guide them in while it's still attached. That's what I do. So just to get started, I'm going to choose this back hole. There's only 4 holes available. Choose this one on all 4 corners, and then you got to push. Let's see. So you can kind of see where we're at there. So trying, you kind of see the loop, but you're pushing this into it. And sometimes what I've learned, you have to twist. To get the best momentum. The clips were a pain in the butt. There you go. Should be able to get the nut on there. I didn't this time. So what I do, I got it over the clip, but not the nut. I screw it backwards and I put the nut in place. You can see my hand, but and then it grabs the nut. It kind of locks everything into place. So I don't even know how that came out. Probably pretty ugly, but that's the clip. So what's good is you can just feed your cables through there. Keeps everything underneath and out of the way. So just put that screw in there, and that clip down here. Yeah, can you run a cable through? Let's do some exciting. So here's your, oops, Cat 6. There you go. Now we can keep it out of the way, and you can put a, you know, handful of these ultra thins. You could probably put like 10 or more through there if you wanted. So yeah, let's move on to the next step. Our clips have been installed. Yay, clippy!